Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with another project share. This time I have created some lip balm pouches for my craft fair. So I made a few to sell and I wanted to come on and share with you what I created. I did use the My Favorite Things little sentiments. And I also used the dies that come with the set. Well, they don't come together, they're purchased separately, but they're from My Favorite Things. And then I also used this Lawn Fawn tag set. And then I used this die right here. It's like a bookmark die, and I picked it up off of AliExpress. And this is what I created. I think they came out super cute. I have made these several times before, but this is my Christmas edition, and I think they're absolutely adorable. As you can see, I used some sparkling glitter tulle. I probably picked it up from Dollar Tree last year. And then the lip balm, I bought a huge pack from Sam's Club and just wrapped it up with the coordinating paper that went with this paper line, which is a hot buy from Michael's this year. And I think it came out really, really cute. So I did some where I wrapped the chapstick, and then some of them, like this one right here, this one was purchased from the Target Dollar Spot in a little pack of like 5, I think. I think I shared it in my Target haul. But I wish I would have bought more of these. Actually, I think there was only one in my Target at the time. But anyway, they're just already decorated and they're super cute, and each one is a little bit different. That one has the little mitten that says Merry Christmas, and I did use a little jingle bell and some twine from Hobby Lobby, in case you're wondering. And then on the back, you know, it does have the little opening where you can open it up when once you gift it. They can open it up and use it. And that die is also from MFT. And I just made a few to sell. I didn't want to go crazy, but I think they came out super cute. I really like this one with the little Christmas tree and the little penguin. Isn't that one adorable? I love this one as well. And I did use glitter paper around the edge of the lip balm pouch, which I forgot to mention is also from My Favorite Things. I recently picked up another order of these, and they're fairly inexpensive, so they're really fun to make. And I think that these will be a really fun seller at my craft fair. Really cute stocking stuffer, in my opinion. And then of course we've got the adorable little fox. And then the last one is a little snowman. Really, really cute. This one I used the little snowflake Christmas tag. Like I said, all of them are a little bit different, but really, really cute. So that is my quick project share. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Thanks for stopping by. Check the description box below for more information, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.